This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institute. The most important thing that students keep on repeating that how to do the listening task. The listening task, the best way to do the listening task is to do it three times. How to do it? First of all, you should listen to it again. The first thing would be listening. There are three important skills involved while you are performing your listening task. People generally understand two, that you listen and you write. But the most important thing we miss is that we listen, we understand, and we write. So, how to practice all these three components is first listen to the audio, just the audio, while you are cooking, while you are doing your homework, while you are doing your household chores. You can do other things, but keep listening to it. It will make you acquainted with the language and the accent. So you will listen to the recording. Second time, you will listen and you will understand few things as well. Third time, you take up that question paper and then you attempt the listening. And it is for the different difficult listenings I am talking about. Normally, listening should be done once. Maximum, it should be repeated twice with listening to it and writing at the same time. So in the simple listenings, it's okay. Listening, writing. But in the difficult reading listenings, if you are facing the problem, then it is best to take it slowly and to do it in the best possible way. So first, listen to it. If you have faced problems, so एक बार तो आप पहले ही कर चुके होंगे. Once you would have already done. That's why you came to know that it is difficult. Then second time, you listen to it. Third time, you just listen to it while cooking, while doing other household chores. And fourth time, when you will do it again, you will see that there would be 30% improvement in your score and you would be happy about it. So that is how it goes. The secret of listening is three times. And this is the secret of listening for everything. If I'm creating any video, then everybody should listen to that video for like 2 3 times, because the two times you can do while doing your other task. You don't have to eliminate extra time. So you have once listened to it very nicely, two times just listen to it doing some other work. So it will make your job easier, and that is how you will become more efficient, and you would be scoring much better as compared to what you. And because your subconscious mind learns when you are engaged in other activity, that is where this the main human mind becomes trained, and that is what it is all about. It is about OIT training and OIT teaching. So that is what we do. So it's never about the material. That I always say, OIT is never about material, it's about teaching. So you have to understand these things. And the same secret applies to reading too. If you will do the same reading three times, you will realize that that your reading is also improving the third time. आप ऐसा don't think at this moment कि मैं तो 3 बार कर रही हूँ तो ये अच्छी हो रही है. Slowly and slowly your subconscious mind starts absorbing those things in the first reading only. Slowly and slowly mind gets trained. First you listen to three times any song. Suppose if I listen to any English song, the third time I listen to songs, the same song, I understand it better. But when I jump onto any other song, then my understanding has improved, my listening has improved. So the next song takes like two times only. So eventually it will improve. So don't think that it will not improve. It will definitely improve. And that is what it is all about. That is the only secret that people are devoid of. And people do not want to work hard because they get bored while listening repetitions. And repetitions are the secret to success. So we all have to be very much kind of acknowledging towards this fact, and we must appreciate this fact and must execute it as well. So this is a small recording from Dr. BKM Institute, just to tell you that what exactly can be done as a part of secret of performing the best.